homeowner wins landmark court case to ban junk mail, and it could help millions. A hacked-off homeowner has won a landmark ruling to ban junk mail, which could benefit millions of besieged households. George Arkless was so fed up with the relentless tide of leaflets dumped through his letterbox by a local estate agent that he applied for a judge's order to make it illegal. Now, in what is thought to be the first case of its kind, the agent has been told he has no right of access to deliver the flyers. Mr. Arkless, 58, won the case after arguing that the junk mail posed a security risk when he was away. A judge agreed that the flyers, which were often left hanging out of his letterbox, alerted people to the fact he was out. He also argued that people walking down his path were trespassing. Mr. Arkless, a retired teacher, said, "It's one of those irritations of daily life that got to me on this occasion, and I wondered if there was anything I could do about it. And there was. It's a bit of a hammer to crack a nut, but I'm so fed up with these people. I've got a notice on my door saying no flyers, but they still come through anyway, and that's what irritated me." The father of two contacted the King's Group estate and letting agency a year ago to complain about its leaflets left sticking out of his letterbox and asked them to make sure they were pushed through the door. When the deliveries continued as before, he applied to Edmonton County Court, North London, to ban the company from his home in Waltham Abbey, Essex. Mr. Arkless said, "I emailed them and asked them to stop and they didn't. Then I sent them an email which said you don't have permission to use my footpath to my front door." King's Group were ordered to pay £200 damages and £50 costs to Mr. Arkless. He said, "It's fairly clear the law is on my side. Anyone who owns property has a right to restrict access to it.